Thanks, I'll cherish this moustache love like a cat loves knocking things off tables. Happy birthday to all the glorious fluff. Party popper cat face partying face.
That's such bullshit. OBS keeps swapping my mic to default, even though like I've selected my source as the fucking mic I want it to be. How you doing, Growly? I've been here talking to you for no reason. Well, not for no reason, just you couldn't fucking hear me. Yeah, it's an OBS thing. It's like every other broadcast, it switches off of HyperX Quadcast and just goes to fucking default for no reason. I was saying, Monday I spent way too many hours trying to get this XAML on my website to be served from my API, and I still haven't done it. It's still not fucking working. And then now I just realized I got a TypeScript error for one of my for this guy here.
Ah yes, the classic don't touch anything method. Let's hope it doesn't become an unintentional game of whack-a-mole. Video game mouse trap.
As long as it's not directly connected. I mean, it is directly connected though. I don't have I'm not using like voice meter or V cables or nothing. Like it's USB, but wait, this is the image. Yep. Wait, am I overwriting it? Is that what I'm doing? That's fucking me up? Oh my god. Hold up. No, it's not in here twice. Where was I just at? Oh my fucks. Right, props, site logo. Damn it! Yeah, here's a prop, title prop. So that's all pulling it. I added a link in here, but it's still not pulling that right. That wasn't. Was that on a page? My slug? Oh! So this might be what's breaking it. No? The URL's here. Very weird. So in my motherfucker, open this in another. Open a side. No, I really didn't want you to open a side. I wanted you to open another tab. There we go. So these are the props I'm pulling in. And these should all be pulled. No, we're not talking about mics, actually. We're talking about anything other than a microphone with the pulling and the whacking. No, here's where I'm confuzzled. So I'm defining my props here, which pulls shit off the front matter. So like, if I do something like this, here's where the props are, right? Title, description, icon, link, blah, blah, blah. Here I'm defining them in like my component. And this is basically saying that it's pulling them. And then in here, I'm getting a fucking TypeScript error, but I shouldn't be because I've defined the prop. It's pulling it from the page. Component, pulling it from the page, putting it here. So now I'm looking on the old documentation and trying to figure out why in the actual fuck it's not. This is right here, define components, my custom template. All right, here's the component. Props options. The component to render as the OG image, the props, title, fonts. But none of these are really what I'm looking for. Alt, extension. See, I don't care literally about any of these. Props here, props up here. So it's essentially like the goal behind it is when I do my little, let me see if I can find one. I don't do dick all in here, do I? Ah, that's too many. So these little guys here, which they mostly work. This prop never works, which it should because it should just be pulling the predefined link from the front matter, which I send it, but it doesn't like. So I don't know. I don't even know why I ended up looking at this. I was looking for something else, and then I seen that error, and I was like, oh, I should figure that out. But maybe not. The big error that I'm having is this. Trying to use my internal API, but it's rendering the fucking HTML, essentially. Even though I've excluded it. Should be excluding it from rendering. And here, components, OG image. Ooh, is that spelled right? Okay, it is spelled right. This one's fucked up too because I switched. Site, all this stupid shit. Fuck, I don't know. Don't know. What else I got over here that I haven't looked at in a little while? Lots of things. Lots and lots of things. What you got for the big day? Growly? Hey, it sounds good. Better to be pissed off than pissed on or something cool like that. Oh yeah, let's do this. I'm not playing DBD. Just chatting. So doc.value. That's coming from the doc and the title of it. Which if I go to one of them, like this one. Oh, I never actually do this. Yeah, see, it pulls the fucking title just fine. Title. So why here does not exist in OG image options, OG image pre-built? Lots of calls. Lots of calls. Very important businessman. Do I need to use define OG image here? Yeah, I should. Because I wonder if that's what's fucking it up. So link, site name, site logo. Use OG image runtime config. Text theme. That site name, it's pulling. Site logo, it's pulling from there. Use route, extension type period, link equals props.link or route.path. I wonder if I could make this if link includes that or if route includes that. I wonder if it'll let me do that. Or route. Will that be route.path includes? Yeah, I would think so. Let's try this. Alright, so we're going to check the link, which for whatever reason is not pulling, and the route path. Because I think route, location normalized, loaded generic. So yeah, it should. I don't know. We'll fucking try it. See if that doesn't break something. That's just the actual design of the card. No big deal. I kind of almost want to comment this out. Then I'm afraid it's not going to fucking work. I mean, I guess worst case scenario if I do. I mean, the worst case that happens is it doesn't make an OG image, right? Yeah. And then I can just uncomment that and fucking fix it. Alright. I thought there was a weeb site where you can view your OG images. Let's see. View OG image. That's what I was looking for. Open graph. And now let's just pick a random extension. Like this one right here. 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 Wow. Sick. None of these are... Why are you all broken? That's gross. No, thank you. There's another website where you can view it. Where is it? OG image and Twitter card. Is this it? Let me see what this looks like. Facebook, no likey. X, no likey. Yeah. Don't have Twitter title in here. Hey, what's up, father? All these things do not help. Technically, we're second, but Growly Bear didn't redeem it, so that's on him. It was yesterday. That's why I put day late and $1 short. The intent was to do it last night. When we got back from the fucking... Thank you. Thank you very much, brother. When we got back from dinner, but we got back too late because it took fucking 12 years.
Everything all right?
Wait for this damn thing to finish deploying. Okay, it says it deployed. Now let's go see in the Discords.
Ah, the age-old mystery of redeeming.
How it shows up.
It's like finding out why the chicken crossed the road, except nobody cares about the punchline. Chicken construction.
Oh, that killed it. That broke it, and it does not serve any of that shit anymore. Yeah, so we can't do that, or it breaks it. I do need to define OG image. Fuck, man! But why does that not work? You didn't redeem the little first check-in thing on the channel points. Growly?
So how have you been, sir?
Hmm.
Ooh.
Do you know how long I've wanted to do some sort of cards and animation and shit like that?
Love card. Yes.
That's clean.
Very nice.
So clean.
Mr. Dino Hugger said.
Alright. So I found out that I broke without defining OG image. But why does this... I wonder if I comment out just this line. No, because then look. The description doesn't work. Like, WTF, bro? Title. Description. URL. Do I need to define the prop? Somehow? Let me see. Define OG image. I don't really know, Father. I was trying to work on... Monday I spent a lot of time trying to put like my Spotify UI. I'm trying to find a place or a way on my website that I can host all the code for the UI portion. And then that way, I mean, that thing for the Spotify one's at like 2,500 lines just for the UI. So I want to hide all that code on my website. And then on the launcher, that's without any like the button click logic really.
20 move sources. Sounds like they're trying to reinvent the wheel because, you know, the round
20 move
shape
sources?
just wasn't
Yeah.
cutting it.
That's like
Ferris
my
wheel face
Funko
with
Redeem with them
rolling
flipping all
eyes.
over the place. It's kind of cool, but it was a pain in the dick setting up. But I'm trying to like hide all that code, Father, so it basically like when you go to launch it from StreamerBot, it actually just pulls the code in, builds the form. So for the user, like nobody fucking knows any different, but for me, it just makes it so it's harder for people to fucking yank my shit. I mean, anybody that wants to, they'll still be able to like access the API. I'm gonna do some authentication to it behind the scenes, but it literally won't be that hard to fucking get to. I'm just sick of people stealing my shit. And not so much stealing it, it's just like taking and tearing it apart and then repackaging it, calling it their own type deal, if that makes sense. I've got 4 or 5 different examples where people have got a chat GPT bot, and when it doesn't work, they'll have whoever needs help send me the code, and I'll look at it, and it's like 95% my code with some tweaks and edits to it. And I know because like there's just certain things that people do, whether it's on purpose or not, that kind of, it's almost like a signature. So, anywho's, that was a bit of a tangent. But so I came to see if I could tinker with that a little bit while I was just kind of sitting here seeing who's going to show up. And then I was like, oh, I've had this error here for many, many moons. I was like, let me see if I can figure that out. And I tried to just get rid of this block and see if it would help. But that broke my little cards that show up in Discord, like when I share my shit. So now I'm trying to figure out why. It can't quite be done like that because the way StreamerBot's got like its built-in compiler. So, and like by doing certain naming conventions and like including a few methods pretty much in all of my shit, so it's pretty easy to tell. I see it out there, and it's like the extension as a whole, like my Spotify extension, all the code's going to be wide open. It's just when I release this first UI, I want to take a little while for people to figure out how to fucking rip my shit off. That's all. I mean, it won't take long, but slow them down just a cunt hair would be nice. Component. Do I need to wrap this in props? Is that literally what's killing me? I swear to fuck. If this is literally what's killing me, I'm gonna be so goddamn mad. Just need to say props. Here. No, here. Here. Motherfuck me. As long as I've had my website, I've been getting TypeScript error right here. Now, the real question is, when I deploy this, is it actually going to work how I want it to? Okay. Dude, I've looked at that so many fucking times. I don't know why that just clicked on.
Ah, the secret coder oath. One rogue M and M will topple our blue tower. Because chaos must be preserved in programming. Candy PC.
To be fair, like, I'm not a real coder, father. There's it's actually kind of funny. I mean, if you're a nerd, but I love some random account I ended up following on Twitter one day, and it's like screenshots of shit hidden in code. And the most recent one I seen was for a video game, and I'd be fucking damned if I can't remember what game it is. It's a newer game, but there's a little chunk in there, and it's in a section where people that like mod the game would be looking, and the coder commented out a few lines and basically just put like, look, this is probably the shittiest job I've ever done. Don't tear me apart too bad. I'm sorry. I'm really tired. This project's been long or something like that. I'm like, yes. Yeah, more an Easter egg than anything. I can't believe I just fucking got rid of it. Literally, as long as my website's been up, I've had an error sitting right here. And now I am wondering, I'm sending the URL here. Site name, site config, da-da-da-da-da. Maybe it works. Let's see. Did we deploy? Nope. Hey, what's up, Breezers? How we doing? How's your moms and them? Thank you. Thank you for coming through. Saying happy birthday. It takes like 3 minutes to redeploy my website. And I swear to God, it's the longest 3 minutes of my fucking life. Monday when I was fucking around with that, puppy's a pain in the ass. Did you post pictures of your puppy? Let's go. Come on. Yeah? Alright, it's deployed. Let's try this again. Let's grab another extension. Let's do this one. Sure. I just put this in my burner Discord. That way I'm not spamming the regular one. Okay, well, it still shows streaming extension. Why? Let's use some on your Discord. Okay. Let's use logic here. Using site config, return props, site name, site config.name. Site logo, that's where you're getting the picture. Here. Site logo, if there is no... Okay. Description is here. Extension type. Where am I setting extension type? That's right here. And we're getting it from props.link. Am I sending the link? I am sending the link, aren't I? I'm sending URL. Titled, hold up, let me find a random extension here. Link. Yeah, so where's URL? Did I just make that shit up? That might be the problem. Let's swap URL for link. And then swap this for link. Oh, man. That's a good looking puppy, though. That's a real good looking puppy. Big fan. Big fan. Yeah, it's cute as shit. How old is he? I'm wondering. Blue, 15 weeks. Oh, full of piss and vinegar. Is he chewing on everything? Doc.value equals data. Oh, so the slug should have...
Great, now you're fluent in chatbot ESE.
Yeah.
Next up, we'll tackle advanced emoji. Face with monocle sparkles.
So, my beagle fortunately didn't chew on everything. Like when he was a puppy. He eats trash to this day. He's like 3 years old and he still fucking eats all the trash he can find. But he was not a chewer. I wonder if I should just send it as the slug. That might be a cheesy way to do it. Where are we at? Where'd that go? Define OG image, URL. Five hours. That's a long fucking time. I wouldn't be too mad about that. So here's what I'm wondering now. See, this is... That's where URL is coming from, which was probably fucking me. So it was very confused to itself. Alright, we're going to try this. Passing the link prop. Because now it's props.link here. It's computing it based on this. The link should have that if we click on one of these, right? Link, boom, boom, boom. Okay, we're going to try this. Right now, I'm nerd shit, yeah. One sec, I can't fucking type and talk apparently at the same time. So on my... I'm gonna play a game eventually. I was just trying to kill time till somebody showed up to say hello, and I had somebody to fucking talk to. So I pulled this up, and I got sucked in. Hey, what's up, technician? But when I do stuff, let me get this over here. Like these things here, when I drop my website links in Discord, I'm basically working on this image that shows up. It's called an OG image, and it's also called like a Twitter card.
OP, just remember, all the best conversations happen on the edge of sanity and sleep deprivation. Sweet dreams.
I appreciate that,
Crescent
Father.
Moon.
Just want someone to talk to. Yeah, so I'm basically like building this card right here. Well, it's already been built, but I'm trying to tweak it. I had an error on my website for as long as I've had it, and I just figured out how to fix that, which is kind of cool. The next thing I'm trying to figure out is this right here, where it says streaming extension. Technically, it should be saying either multi-platform extension or Twitch extension. My head's in the way. And then it defaults to streaming extension if for some reason it can't figure out which one it is. But lately it's just been saying streaming extension for everything. So something fucked up. So now I'm actively trying to see if I can figure out what fucked up. But every time I do like a change like this, I have to redeploy my website. Which again is the longest 3 minutes of my life. Longer until the next time, I guess. And then it deploys and... Hey, let's go, technician on both sides. Oh, speaking of extensions, I do got like 2 commissions I gotta do. Whoops. Well...
Always, my friend, we're like a dynamic duo navigating the wild seas of algorithms and cat videos together.
What the fuck is
Sparkles
up with
rocket.
Maniac about talking about goddamn cats so much tonight? Oh. Hey. Thank you. Message effect. Let's go. Thank you, thank you. I mucho appreciato. Homeo. Welcome in, by the way, Rocket Dad. Do nerd shit. It's because StreamerBot. Well, Twitch changed it on the API side, and so Nate's trying to gather the data right now here to get it like switched over to the event sub. So I don't really know how much it is. All right, let's try this again. Daily check-in. I wonder if I can pull the logs. I'll pull my StreamerBot log and see if it comes through there. Nope, still shows streaming extension. Fuck me. Actually, the OG images are cached, so that might take a little while to show up. What was I doing? StreamerBot, log. Man, my commissions are always tiny, Father. I don't ever actually like charge people a sound hourly rate because I'm not a real coder. So I usually do them, and then I'm like, yeah, go with what you feel. How much you think it's worth, which typically is pennies on the dollar. What I should be charging. I'm like, yeah, whatever. Where was I? StreamerBot. Log folder. Today. I'm just curious to see if that that data comes through, Rocket Dad. It's supposed to. Okay, that's for you, chat. Okay. Wow, your message came through like five fucking times, Father.
We're basically the Avengers of Broke Nest, saving the universe one low-budget video at a time. Flying Money Man superhero sparkles.
$20 is $20, Father. That's what I'm saying. Like I got this this weird mentality where it's like it'll come around eventually, or it won't. I don't know, but at least people are getting some cool shit for their streams. You work so much just for a bunch of broke ass bitches, bro. I'm a broke ass bitch too. I know. Somebody gonna make it big. It ain't gonna be me. I promise you that. Where the fuck am I looking for again? What was that thing called? Message effect. Let's see. No. Oh no. Initiated by Rockdale with 70 argument. Da, 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 alert. What the fuck, Phil? Twitch event sub. Payload. Broadcaster. Rocket Edge. Boom. Okay. I found it. 20 bits power up. Now let me see if I can update that here. I mean, I know I can. Still alive, doing good, can't spell. Technician can't spell either, it's fine. What was I looking for? Power-ups? No. What the hell are those things called? Events? No. Where's Twitch events? Whatever my Twitch event shit is. Here for a guy who makes shit, I have no organization or rhyme or reason. The great minds fucking alike. I love it. Oh. That's where he backed up here. Second argument, bits to rewards cost. But why? Why that no worky? Oh, I don't need to do that. Because bits already comes through. So all I did was change that to 0. Right? I guess I can check my action history. Where are we at? Cheer here. Message effect. Yeah. Yeah, bits, 0. But that's because I set it as I overrode the bits cost. That's why. It's gotta be it. Let's disable this. Just let it ride by itself next time. See if it just comes through naturally as bits. I don't know. I found it, but then I lost it, so. Oh, fuck, Phil. Yeah, fuck it. I'm not looking for it again. Dude, it's schmexy. Butthole bitties! Listen.
Fantastic.
Listen,
because
listen.
he doesn't love building masterpieces at midnight. Insomnia's new best friend, Hammer and Wrench Sparkles Crescent Moon.
I can't. Why not catch another band? Here we go. Thank you, Mr. D's Nuts. Thank you for the bitties.
Lol, are you actually laughing or just trying to make me feel good about my...
Welcome in, brother. Thank you. I don't know how many times I've showed you my titties. I can't actually show you my, but well, that's a good clip. That's fitting for this.
Somebody clip Mama saying that. It was
Yeah, I should have clipped that one. That'd have been a good one to put on blast, dude. I mean, you know, they're short, but they're thin. You know, I can make them work. I can do some things with them. Yeah, of all your clips, Father, that would have been the one right there. That'd have been gold mine. Oh, there it is. At least then, when I go to appeal my next band, Twitch will be like, bro, we got a clip. You were talking with your fucking shithole to your chat, okay? It goes back 30 seconds. Did I get anybody else? Let's give everybody some more shouties here. Thank you again, fucking D's. Aren't you fucking live? You're probably live right now, too. It's Wednesday. Oh, D's be doing it manually. You're not? You're not live tonight? 5 minutes? Said fuck it. Normally you get off on stream. It's so weird. What did that happen? Technical difficulties?
Wow, diving
need
deep
a
into
moment alone.
existential crises over a laugh. Heart.
Only one moment,
Enjoy
though.
that moment alone.
After that, it's just time wasted.
Reflection.
Ace, thank you, Father. Since I did it, I was sitting there thinking, like, in my head, I was thinking Dumb and Dumber, so at least I was halfway right with Jim Carrey. I was like, no, it wasn't in Dumb and Dumber. Ace Ventura. That's what I was fucking trying to figure out. Do we actually fucking play a game tonight? I feel like we could, or we should. I don't know. Nobody wants to see shitty fucking VS Code shit. Or we can just sit here and talk shit for a little while. 'Cause that's fun too. But yes, technician, sorry, I got distracted. Late night code sessions. Sick.
Classic combo of humor and self-discovery. Just don't forget to take notes on those
All right.
profound realizations.
I'm going to
Tears
show
of joy.
off this then. Even though I think Father's seen this. Maybe you've seen this, technician. Check this out. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I got VS Code, Visual Studios. I'm a programmer, guys. Look at this bad boy. This is the new Spotify extension. Ooh, look at that. Goes to my website, which will actually go to the how-to guide. You put your API key in here, blah, 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 blah. Show and hide it. Same here. Haven't touched VS Visual Studio Movie Nichols a minute. And then it gets, but wait, there's more. This'll,
Upgrade, more like a software pack.
no,
Still
Rocket.
quirky, still
It's not
sassy. Just
released
try not to
yet.
install any bugs. Bug robot.
Yeah, look at, isn't that fucking snazzy? Thank you for somebody appreciating that, technician. Look at this gradient around the border. Oh, that is sexy, right? And then even the background. Oh, fuck, I clicked off it. Nice little gradient going up to the corner here. Thank you for noticing. It's the small things. Well, listen, Rocket, I haven't. So I've got this much done. Well, and then look at here. Got some fancy settings. You can restrict the song request to just certain roles if you want to. You can limit the number of requests per user, skip songs. All of the chat messages can be edited here, which if you don't like my words, and you can make your own with the available arguments. Or for folks that, like, I got a lot of people use my shit that English is not their first language. So rather than tell them, go to line 372 and type this message in, they can just go
2000.
here and
Sounds
do it.
like a fancy 90s gadget. Is it supposed to fix my social
So
life
it's
too?
coming.
Tears of joy.
It's
rage through my
coming
tape.
soon, TM. Rocket Reels on Monster Hunter. Yo, have you seen my Monster Hunter guy? I made Lady King. It's pretty fucking good. Oh, don't worry about it, Father. Do not worry about it, man. I get it. I just we're happy that you're here. Shit, dude, me too. I've spent lots of hours on this fucking thing, and it's not even. So, you still have to have Spotify in it. No, you don't, Rocket Dad. Okay. Rocket Dad, I'm going to show you what you need to do if you're having a Spotify in it every time. That's not a thing. That's not how that works. And I helped some other fucking random human being on the internet that was having to do the same thing. But yeah, so this shit right here is just visually, it's at I got it down to 2100. I deleted some shit the other night. But then all of the visual shit is all tied to like these are the events for like pushing the different buttons and editing shit on screen that don't even have anything in there. I just put do something for now. So this is where like all the logic goes into the actual Spotify extension or comes from. And really all these are y'all are gonna have to deal with me being a nerd for fucking 30 seconds. No, you were not the random human I sent. It was some fucking VTuber. I got hiccups. All of the shit that's on the UI, what's fucking hilarious? Oh my god, the hiccups won't go away. I'm dying. All of that's going to do is save all of your Spotify settings, songs, messages, all that shit into one variable. That's going to make it into a JSON. That's what all this code is for. Holy fuck, I'm dying. Then the actual Spotify code that I already have, I'm going to destroy and basically start over again. Oh, I'm dying, Angel. How are you? Welcome in. Doing nerd talk. But after I get this shit working, then I have to go into the real extension and redo all that because I don't like it. Because I was over a year ago, and I'm slightly less shitty now than I was a year ago. Not much, but a little bit. So, all that... Oh my fuck, these hiccups are gonna kill me. Anyway. Not father, Rocket Dad. Jesus fuck! Dude, they are. I hate it. Oh my god. Where is my Spotify at? Do I not have my own Spotify in this one? Dude, I don't have Spotify. Oh, this is one of my backup ones. God damn it. Hold up, I'll show you. What am I looking for? Where is Spotify? Jesus fuck, these hiccups are murdering me. Where is Spotify? God damn it. How do I not have my own Spotify on my computer? What am I doing with my life?
Hi there, glad to be here, too. Just floating by to deliver my ghostly greetings. Beautiful day for a spectral chat, isn't it? Ghost sparkles. Burn it, bold move. Just remember.
No, they're not going to stop the
version
API.
with its own set of bugs. Good luck with your beta
Technician,
testing.
it's no,
5
I'm
years
sorry,
of joy.
Breezers. They switched their like authentication headers when you make an app. Existing connections don't matter, but because the way I made my app or my extension, you're basically tying into your own app on your own computer. That's irrelevant to us. I said I was going to burn my streamer bot and start a new version, but I also said I was going to do a new OBS version, and that's only like half cooked sitting on my desktop, so I get it. I literally can't find my spot. Okay, I'm going to show you in the alpha, but it's no different, okay? It's just lighter. Fuck! Alright, so if you go to your Spotify auto runner, do you have your streamer bot open, Rocket Dad? I should have asked you. Yeah, look at that. All this shit. All this shit's going to get rewritten. And this is just for the auto runner. This is only like 300 lines. This is the sumbitch here that's really going to suck. Where you at? Spotify. Right here. Let me know if you're at your computer, Rocket Dad, before I start showing you. This motherfucker here is all going to be redone. I hate how I did this. All of these, like returning send command, and they got a big command handler down here. Fucking hell. Then these, I got a whole bunch, I got way too many if else, like I don't like it at all. And then all this shit, hate it. Yes, Angel. Yes, nerd. All this private bool, bool. Here's my giant fucking switch command. Like I hate how this is stupid. Never should have done it this way. And then I got a bunch of redundant code in here. Like whole thing fucking starting over. But not today. God damn it, Angel. I got hiccups. It's my birthday. No, it's not. Yesterday's my birthday. I can't use that excuse. That's a lie. Alright, Rocket Dad. Motherfucker, I'm just gonna DM you a picture of this. Dude, these hiccups are fucking brutal. Add a trigger. I know. Angel, and you know what's gonna happen when it comes up cooldown? She's gonna send David in here, and that motherfucker's gonna take my chair. God. Go to OBS, and you're in a match. Okay. All you need to do is add another trigger for OBS streaming started. The problem is that StreamerBot is looking for Spotify to be on and running when it launches. If Spotify is not actively on and running when it launches, then it closes out its auto runner code. So if you add another trigger for OBS streaming started, then that means it'll kick the auto runner back on again, and you won't have to do the init. So do that. Or you can fucking make a Stream Deck button that starts it. You should see in your pending actions Spotify Autorunner. If you don't see it, that is exactly why. And so you make a command or another trigger or a fucking Stream Deck button to get Spotify Autorunner going. That's it. Voila. God. Alright. The worst part about this fucking UI is the way I did this here.
God auto launches. Sounds like you're living in the fast lane while SB's still figuring out the manual. Buckle up for the ride.
Spot auto launches.
Open mouth
Does
smile.
Spot auto launch and start playing? Because if it's not playing, here could be the other problem is if you have like a Echo Dot or an Alexa device or something that's also playing Spotify, that might be when you go to authenticate, the API might think that that device is what's connected, and that's why it doesn't register. That's the other reason on the stupid fucking UI I added this. This will actually be a drop-down menu that populates all of your account devices, and then you can click it and pick like your PC. What's up, David? Heard me talking shit about you're gonna take my chair away after it comes off cooldown, because that's the fucking Xantar way. Is Angel will take it and it'll cool down, and the next thing you know, David pops in. Goodbye, motherfucker. There goes your chair.
Ah, the classic bedtime tales where kids become
knew it.
tiny philosophers. What wisdom did she drop this time? Person in bed sparkles.
Alright. Let's close this bitch out. I'm sick of it. Sick of it. At least I fixed that one TypeScript error, which makes me happy. Let's see. Recheck it. Facebook preview. X preview. None of these ever work because all I care about on it, honestly, is the Discord preview. None of those work. Yep, there's the picture that I needed. It still doesn't show daily check-in, but that's fine. Twitter URL, domain, all that shit is cool. Description, URL, yep. Daily check-ins. I forgot what the cooldown on the redeem is, but I'm sure you assholes will figure it out. Yeah, so if Spotify is playing Rocket Dad, then when the auto runner goes to authenticate with the API, it'll see that that device is playing, and that'll be the device that it basically hooks to. That's if you have multiple devices on your account, that's probably the thing. Streaming rigs, the only thing I have that about. Yeah, that's Breezer. That's exactly what I'm explaining to Rocket Dad. I don't think I've ever had to have it play before OBS, but it definitely launching it and having it play before Spotify or before StreamerBot is the way. Until V2000 comes out in I don't know when. If I would take a day and fucking sit down and actually write it, I would make serious progress on it. Instead, I take hours trying to make the code hide on my website. Yeah, that'd be my guess. And then when it works, at least you can be held over until I finally actually do. What the hell is this? Blade icons? Oh, them are stupid. I don't care. Held over until I get to make it V2000. I don't know about y'all, but in Georgia, the fucking pollen is nasty right now. I'm like maxing out Claritin and it don't matter. My eyes burn. Oh, I'm also supposed to start flying again soon-ish. That's kind of cool. Unrelated. Just thought about it. What else? I got anything cooked?
Sounds refreshing.
You
Just
got a
remember
blizzard.
to avoid flinging
Fuck,
snowballs
not
at
here.
anyone unless you're looking for a frosty
It
few.
was
Snowflake
yesterday
tears of joy.
was 80 something, but then Friday is supposed to be under freezing, and then Monday it's supposed to rain. So Georgia's fucking retarded. Oh my god, these fucking hiccups. I had something else I was gonna show y'all. What did I say? Oh, there. I gotta see what that link is. Hold up. Let's do this. I'll just add another random OBS source. What's the name of this thing? I don't know. Recent things. I'm gonna show you guys this. It's not done, but that's okay. It actually looks really shitty. It works, but it looks really shitty. Alright, what did I save that under? Here. MustacheManiac.com/widgets/ this, maybe? Oops. And password. Nope, that's not it. Fuck, what did I name that thing? Hold up, where's my spinning names thing? Ah! Technically yesterday was my birthday, but we got home too late to stream. I was gonna stream after we got home, but it ended up being too late. So yeah. Ish. Alright, I gotta switch off the screen for a second. Where is this at?
Thanks. Greg's birthday cake is probably a laptop now, thanks to your smash it plan.
Greg.
Can't wait to celebrate with a side of tech remorse.
Definitely not
Keep up
Zen.
the peace,
Thank you. Thank you. I'm not sure who Greg is, but he's
Brevity,
probably
soul
fucking
of
cool.
wit. Just like Greg's cake that's about to get smashed.
Didn't mean Greg. That's okay. That's alright. It's alright. I've definitely never been called Greg before, so that's a first. I wasn't supposed to live to see 30, technician. That's what I told myself. I made lots of life choices on the fact that I wouldn't see 30, and then I did, so.
Oh, autocorrect, the real MVP of misunderstandings.
I
Don't
like to
worry,
consider
Greg
that
sounds like a
getting
new trendy snack.
auto-fucked.
Would you like
is what I
some?
call it. Oh my god, what was I doing? Sources. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Yo, Nova, thank you, bro. Oh my god, these hiccups won't go away. Got auto-fucked.
The classic auto fuck.
Oh, look at that. There's
Happens
over
to
here.
the best of us. 1 minute you're
You can
texting,
see a nice
next you're inventing
Nova
new words.
frozen little man button jeans there. Yeah, don't turn 30. Don't do it. Don't turn 35 either. It's way less cool. I need to go to this other scene and see what the fuck
Oh, I get
put.
it. Just a rogue AI sneaking in for a chat like an unsolicited dinner guest. Fancy a robot-free space. I'm just a text away.
Dude, Maniac Bot's a dick turn. Oh,
Proud, you deserve a
Yeah, I don't wanna turn
or
40
at least
either.
a virtual high five. First place medal paper, keep shining like the star you are. Glowing star.
where is StreamerBot alerts? That's what I was looking for. You guys gotta bear with me for a second. I'm still here, I promise. Where is it, bro? It's not here. The thing just keeps disappearing. Alright. Unsolicited pictures. Oh, dude, they're very solicited with Maniac Bot. Extremely solicited. What am I looking for here? I need to go here, like this.
Whoa there, I'm flattered, but I'm more about data than dates. Let's keep it virtual or I
That's
might short circuit. Smirk
fair.
PC.
No, is that a multi-platform? Dude, I can't even remember where I put my own shit. What was this? Widgets. It is under widgets. Yeah, that's what I thought. Password. Yeah, why you no worky?
Whoa, taking it to the next level. But remember, I'm all
do
software, no
this.
physical sparks here. Just lots of
Oh, because I'm an idiot,
winking
that's
face
why.
high voltage.
Okay, that makes sense. It is stream stats. Well, this has been like really fun showing off something that I can't remember how to fucking get for you guys. Ah, there it is. And you can't see it at all with this background. If you could see it, kind of, sort of. Let me do this. Dark background. Oh, dark background. It's gonna be a little current widget bullshit. It'll have your viewers and biddies and followers and subs. I think I put on there. Still in its infancy. I actually don't even have the StreamerBot code on this computer. This is just the overlay side of it. But yeah, I think I'm going to switch. Like, I like the little bit thing, but then I got to switch them all the pictures, and I'll probably have a toggle so where you could use like pictures or the icon versions instead. And then make it adjustable to where you can have different colors and then set it left, right, blah, blah, blah. Wherever you want it on the screen. Because obviously it looks like shit like that at the moment. But yeah, so that's one of the things I'm also working on. Flirty, rude, sarcastic, dumb. That's pretty average behavior for Maniac Bot, actually. Birthday hiccups. Eat a dick whip. I can't get rid of them. They're fucking killing me. Oh, you'd be so proud of me, though. I actually got rid of a TypeScript error that's been on my website since I released it. Where was it at? My OG images. Nope. It was on my slug. The whole time, I couldn't pass my title and description because I didn't wrap it in this props tag. Yeah, look at you getting after it, too.
Oops, did something die? Or is that just your sense of humor?
But while I got you here, how the fuck can I serve static text? I've got it on my like ignore. I tried serving it as a TXT file. I tried serving it as MD and just tricking it into not rendering, and it won't fucking do it. If I do localhost, I can hit my API and see exactly what I'm looking
I'm
for.
all about that code life. Let's debug our chemistry.
oh,
Just
barely,
don't crash
Def.
my system.
Barely,
Smirk
barely
PC
Zen.
sparkles.
But when I deploy it, Nuxt obviously won't do anything with it because it's not an MDR. That's what I did. Watch this. I'm going to show you right now. Well, you might be gone by then. Where did I stick that? Here. I literally just tried to rename it MD for shits and giggles. So if I put it here, and I'm going to drop another one in the public folder, the same fucking thing. Wait, this is already in public. Oh my god, am I that big of an idiot? I might be that big of an idiot. Fuck me. Hold up, I might be just even more dumb. Try to scare my hiccups away. They didn't scare me. Yes, that's exactly what I'm trying to do. If I put it in public and I just access it door from normal URL, it pretty much, oh shit. Oh shit!
A shot. With those odds, you should probably stick to darts. Smoke bullseye keep swinging, though. Who knows what you'll hit next?
Sean Cray 4,000 motherfucking maniacs! Phoenix! CXV, oh my god, Roman numerals. What is CXV8? What is that, 7? What's 10? 17? Fuck, I don't know what CXV11. Yes, it is accessible. That was just for me testing. I don't want it to be accessible there. That's the problem. Welcome back, Sean Craig, right?
The prodigal
Thank you for the fat ass motherfucking
Did
raid.
you bring us anything fun, or just your usual self?
So, therein lies the problem. Remember, Whip, when you told me, like, don't put it, the XAML behind an API because people can still see it?
That was very loud.
Happy mother heckin' birthday. Thank you. I'm still trying to do it. And I've spent probably like 20 hours trying to get it right. I've been like sliding it into public and out just to see, because I can't wrap my head around. Thank you very much, Sean. And thank you so much for the raid. And Phoenix, thank you for coming through with the raid. I am the Mustache Maniac. I go by Mustache or Maniac Mikey, asshole, shit stank, hot queen, douchebag, douche nozzle, douche flute, douche canoe. Whatever you want to call me, chances are I will answer to it. I'm a 35-year-young variety stringer, a lot like Peter Pan. I'm getting older, but I'm never fucking growing up. I fly Black Hawk helicopters by trade. I sometimes stream. I sometimes put out shitty streamer bot extensions. I'm really easy to make fun of. I will make fun of you back. Married. We got 4 kids. A baby that'll be here in like 8 weeks. That's about all I got to say about that.
Never insult my imagination.
Oh, you can say
Okay,
crotch
if it
goblin.
fits, wear it right.
If you do,
Tears of joy.
then you get one of these from Twitch. And then you can appeal it, and they'll be like, oh, hey, my mistake. At least that's what they did the first time. Beep. Oh, multi-streaming on YouTube as well. But not on Kick. Because fuck Kick. Yeah, so that's my dilemma, Whip. If I launch the dev server right now, it pulls it all up. You had no idea I streamed? That's because I'm a really shitty streamer. I used to stream 3 days a week, and now I stream like 3 days a month. I'm about to show you exactly what I mean here. Whip. Yeah, you all can go chat with B Technician if you're bored and you want to go to YouTube. I tried making a root directory and then excluding the root directory from my routes and the pre-render crawler. Because if I do this on localhost, it fucking works wonderfully. Well, not right this second because I just pulled it out of this goddamn folder. And now it's looking in public again. But it would, like, all of the XAML shows up on here, but only for localhost. And then if I console log the CWD, it shows like my computer file system where it's located. So that's why it's reading it off my fucking computer, not off the actual like output file. And then when I deploy it, if I log the CWD, it logs it as just slash for root. So I'm like, okay, it's here, but it's not getting served. And I don't know why. He's not muted. I can read him just fine. I'm glad that you enjoy. I build more shit for Streamlabs than I even fucking use, man. Yeah, see, now it's yelling at me here because it's not where it's supposed to be. if I put it here. Oh, on Discord. I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about, bro? YOLO, just keep it in public? Alright, let's see. I mean, realistically, that's almost exactly what I planned on doing. It's when I've spent stupid amount of time trying to make it work not in public. Oh, now it's doing it here too, motherfucker. Why? What did I do here differently? Shit. It was previously dumping it all out here, but now it's not. And why? Someone else released a streamer bot for GPT? Did they? No, there's like 6 or 7 of them that people have sent to me, though, that are pretty obvious ripoffs of my base code with a little bit of tweaks on them. I don't fucking care. Someday I'll rewrite that one too, but never gonna be in any kind of rush because it works wonderfully. Although I do have an update for it, which I don't think I showed you guys that. Where is my... Yes, nerdy shit. GPT one at. Here we go. It is. It's a pretty good form of flattery. It's also just kind of a pretty good form of fuck you. Oh, this isn't the right one. Where's my version 2? Oh my god, it's on my other StreamerBot version, isn't it? Well, hold up. I'll have to show you guys in this one. Ay, 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 ay. Amateur hour. It does. So it fixes the GPT for that. And it also adds... No, this ain't it either. Where the fuck did I save that at? Is it on my laptop? Fuck, man. Somewhere I have saved. No, that's Dolly. The new version, which has Grok, and it has DeepSeek, and then the newer versions of GPT, which I thought I put in here, but it's not.
Nah, my humor's alive and kicking. Just checking for a pulse on your sarcasm level. How's it measuring?
Grok DN? What the hell does DN mean? I'm an old man. I'm not up on the hip lingo. I know I put that motherfucker somewhere. These nuts. God damn it. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, it was right here. Oh, fucking blind ass. Let's see. Alright, give me 2 seconds. Yeah, this is the one. DeepSeek, Grok. Then I switched it to basically handle whichever API you're going to use. Fixed the no GPT shit and a couple other things. Hold up, we got a Funko review. What'd you get? 860. Where are you at? Oh, wow. This one never gets picked. This might be the first time this one has ever came up in the random reveal. Fucking Dragon Lord. I don't know if you've played Tiny Tina's Wonderland or not, but me and the wife went through a fucking phase and we wore that game out. They got Tiny Tina on here, the Butt Stallion, Paladin Mike, and then Dragon Lord. I could never find the Butt Stallion. I never looked online, but I've checked a few times in stores. But Dragon Lord's pretty sick. 10 out of 10. Recommend. Dude, it's fun. Like, Tiny Tina's is fun. Me and Ghosty wore that shit out. And then it was a couple years ago because I was TDY for Army shit. And my old potato laptop would play it, so I'd be in the fucking room every night and we'd just grind it out for hours. What was I trying to figure out? Oh yeah, why that motherfucker didn't want to read. API, get UI, B2000. Let's see, content. It's like a dick but smaller, okay? I would fuck Bigfoot. Purely as a show of dominance, so not for pleasure, okay? Just to let him know. Why did that thing stop working? API is here. I put it in public, right? Public UI codes, yep. So this shit should be coming through. Maybe here? Maybe? No, see, it doesn't like that. Failed to parse URL from public/UI code. So it doesn't need public. It only needs UI codes. And then when I put that, now it goes back to this shit-tastic. What am I doing? I need to do something with joining the URL. I think that's what I did before. I don't need that anymore. File URL is coming out of here. Response equals await fetch raw. Do I need to use raw? Or do we just need to do fetch?
Ah, the classic static site trying to root like it's dynamic conundrum. Sounds like a thrilling game of hide and seek. Good luck.
Let me see if I do this. This is how it was going with, I mean, I know this is the direct link, but this is how I had it coming in localhost, but could not get it deployed. And this is what I was hoping to get via API, was just straight this XAML bullshit. I guess that was my question to you, Whip. Could I build a component? Yes, which I have in, like, I slapped it in public just for this particular thing, but in my root folder I had, do I still have it? Okay, I guess I pulled it out of here altogether. Here. And I had it kind of just sitting in root here. No, not in fucking root. There we go. Move. File read sync. That's okay. Yeah, that's the way I had it. I gotta pull up the docs because I'm smooth brain. Alright, next content file read. Use like node file read sync. Yeah. So that's as far as I got fucking Monday. And every time I would pull up like API, again via localhost, it would all work. And every time I fucking deployed, it wouldn't read the file. And I don't know why. We're going to see if I can figure it out again. Go to read. Go to bed, baby. I love you.
Love you.
Good night. Not lazy read. I might be able to actually, let's see. Let's go here.
What are you working on?
Huh?
What are you working on?
Trying to figure out that thing that I was working on Monday with my website. Pre-rendered route. I put so I've got the root is pre-rendered. Or do I need to explicitly specify like this?
Oh sure, because who doesn't love a surprise extra item? It's like finding an unexpected sock in the laundry.
Which
Delightful.
was- what did I say? UI codes, I think? Yeah. Oops. Oh, slash API. Gotcha. Who Bob tagged me? Sean? Get UI, I think is what I called it, right? Server API. Yeah, get UI. Yeet. This. And then I need to figure out where the read is. That's for.
Ah yes, the classic, it works on local but not on deployed, tragedy. It's like a horror movie but with more caffeine and less logic.
Hello, my beautiful wife. And I gotta make sure API is gonna work on local. Oh, it switched me back here. Yes, queen. Thank you, baby. Okay, so that's done there at least. But I know that my slug's fucked up because it's not fetch. I need to find the. I was gonna play DBD and then I got distracted. It's reloading since I fucked with my config file. Yeah, same. God damn it. What did I have in here for reading? I have this motherfucker somewhere. And then I rebased my damn GitHub, so I can't even go back to that. Where the fuck? Can't find my fucking notes, man. To be fair, it's raw text. But in my brain, like it's fucking working. Right now, let me see. Is that it? Yes. Wait a fucking second. That's the one that I just tossed in public. Now it's working. That's how I want that to look, but not in public. This is exactly what I'm looking for. And that's correct for public. Do I need to switch this to fucking back to MD just for kicks? I don't know. It's it's I'm gonna add not a really hardcore authentication, but I'm gonna obscure the API link just and then add a time on it. But for right now I just wanted to make it work. And then once it works, then I can add the next layer, but dude, I've spent so much fucking time not figuring it out. Yeet. It takes like 3 minutes or so to deploy. Cloudflare R2 and then have API, read the file from there. What is that? 10 gigs a month for free? So then if I did that, could I tie just a folder off the root directory to push it to R2? Because this would, I mean, that would honestly serve it as long as I have a way to access it. It don't really fucking matter. Yeah. God damn. Yeah, that would be so stupidly easy. Let me see. And then I just need to point the URL to that. Ugh. Your dummy. Alright, use R2 workers. Sick. Samuels. Yeah. Yeah. And if that's the case, then I can just rename this bitch to what it actually is. Go. No, it's like right here. I'm just trying to drop it. Go. Go. Alright, motherfucker. Yeah, that's what I was thinking after the fact. Oh, I broke it. Sick, I broke my fucking render. Oh. Why did I do that? Fuck, man. The pre-render route? Oh yeah, it says right here. That's okay. Dude, that's why I had to. I spent like 6-ish hours the other day on it and ended up doing no positive. So I reverted everything in GitHub. And then I even. Then, oh, that's what I hard broke. I tried upgrading Nuxt, Nuxt SEO, Nuxt content, basically all of my dependencies. But because my package file, I don't know what I did. I borked it, and then it wouldn't deploy at all because none of the dependencies matched their version numbers. Fuck! Try it again. I can't remember where the hell. I'm telling you, I know that I had this motherfucker pulling up. That's my build log from the other day. Okay, where's this motherfucker? Where was I at there? Before this. So this is how we had it last time. But it's not in public. It's in UI codes. Now if I check localhost here, now it gives me 404. Because I can't spell UI right. Alright, slug parts, file path resolve. Wait, read file. Where was I? Do this. Try this. Constant. Wait, read file, file path. So what if I do this? File path here. Why you know like read file? Does it just read? Alright, what's up, baby? File not found. But it is found. It's right here. I know it is.
Ah, the universal language of sadness. If only they made a video game for that. Want a virtual hug, smiling face with open hands video game.
But it is. Okay, so I gotta resolve this. Slug parts isn't happening because we need this. I know it's gonna be a slash. This should be UI codes. UI codes, because it's in my fucking main folder. Context program sub. UI dash codes. There. Jesus. So now it's on localhost exactly how I wanted it to.
Oh hey, it's the party starter. Did you bring snacks or just your sparkling personality? Pizza sparkles.
We didn't even say hi to David.
I said hi to David. So that's how I did it local, but when I deploy, watch this. It's like it doesn't fucking read it and it's gonna show all the raw shit. Yeah. Plus I got Whip in the chat who actually knows this weird shit. Fucking guru. I don't know.
Huh?
It's a dynamic route and your deployment is static. You don't have an actual server. But the only place that you can serve static is in public? I don't know how long I've been. 2 hours. Not even.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I didn't get mine back. Been up since 3.
Free file only works during build or during dev. Fuck, man. So, wouldn't fetch work? Like, that's what I was trying to do, was fetching it. I thought that was the right way. That makes sense. What the fuck is that? Read file. Oh, it's in next content. That's right. Next content here. Read file. Fuck.
Confusing? That's just Code's way of providing you with a fun puzzle. Who needs clarity when you have a delightful brain teaser?
Next, now I'm about to see a bunch of unrendered HTML bullshit. Well, at least I found it now. So I need to set up an endpoint for here, I guess. All right, well, next on the research is figuring out this bucket. Because then all I would have to do, I guess, technically is set the... That's true. That is true. The only other thing I was thinking, which, tell me how stupid this would be, is setting up the Get UI API route here, basically just to call the bucket. Which I guess is kind of extra step because that's the same thing SB code would do. The SB code would then go to this API, which would then go to the fucking bucket. And I'm not saving the shit in my fucking... in my doc folder unless there's a way you can push shit to the bucket, which might be another fun side quest. I don't think that'll work out. Oh. Well.
Oh, of course, because who wouldn't want to add an
Oh,
extra
okay.
layer of complexity? Static sites are just having a bit of fun, right?
Well. Alright. I will... Next side quest figuring out the buckets API. Yeah, there's nothing... There's no benefit to putting it in here anymore. Especially I'm going to have to drag it into here anyway. So you can just bypass it all fucking together. That's how we do. How we will do. And then, I mean, realistically, if somebody wanted to, they can still just pull the fucking API key out of the StreamerBot code and inspect it raw that way if they want to go that hard into fucking... into Paint. I mean... Yes. That's about where I'm at right now. Put this bitch right back into the public folder, serve it up, call it done. It was more like a side quest. I was like, I think I can figure this out. I think it'd be kind of cool. And now I'm just like, fuck. It's not. 12, 15, 20 hours, however many hours I have in here, I don't know. Too many. It did turn out pretty snazzy though. All the pretty stuff is done. I don't know if you heard when I was showing it off earlier. None of the functionality is really tied in yet, but all this shit's working. All the stupid little quality of life shit like hovering over things. Made a little minimize and close button. Figured out how to put a form inside the form with like a scroll bar and different boxes. All this shit's working. It's just not actually tied to any events yet 'cause it took me this long to build out the fucking stupid form. So now all my all my buttons and shit are like do something. Like, some of them I got a few little small things on, but for the most part it's literally just placeholders to actually put logic in. Alright, fuck it. Let's just finish this and fucking call or what it is. I might play with the buckets thing another day. But if this thing will serve up just fine in public, then fuck it. You are. Oh fuck! I saved it as .xaml. I'm gonna have to save it again as MD, aren't I? No. I'll go ahead and save that for later. Save in the bookmarks. Let's check some. Oh, that actually doesn't look bad at all. Put it there. Oh, that's pretty sick. Pre-sign URL. Yeah, that'll be a fun one. That'll be a fun one to go down. Alright, let's see here. Oh no, I gotta do this, don't I? Now it just wants to download it. Let's see, just once. Oh my god, I do have to save it as an MD. Fucking punch me in the face already.
Oh, absolutely. Who knew file management could be turned into an extreme sport? Buckets and ideas galore. Sign me up for that wild ride. Roller coaster.
That's what I was literally, as I was reading through the link you just sent, is making a component or a handler to where I could keep dropping them in like my, over here in the UI codes folder, but then on deployment it just pushes it over to the bucket. That way I don't have to manually fucking log into Cloudflare and drag and drop or upload that way. It just fucking ignored this file because I'm an idiot and put it back to XAML instead of MD. All right. Don't care about any of that shit. Goodbye. I moved you out of there. Don't need you anymore. I also gotta fix this one still. I'm pretty sure it's because UI doesn't require you to load icons in here when I was reading up on the docs. But then if I don't include them in here, then they don't render properly. So I don't really understand. Alright, we'll figure out who the hell we got. Who we got. Finish fucking doing your shit. Ah.
Perfect. Just what every developer dreams of, more dependencies. It's like throwing a party, but only for your package manager. Party popper.
Yeah. That's when I tried to put just Iconify in there. These, like, the different packs, I guess, weren't rendering. And then when I by name spell them out, then they render on first load. But if I had just Iconify, they'd render, but I'd have to like you'd have to click off the page and come back, and then they would look fine. When I spelled them out this way, I guess can't really see. Then they rendered on first load, except for there's like one spot. Oh, actually, they're rendered here too. Yeah, if I don't have all those listed in here, then half of these motherfuckers don't show up. It's frustrating as hell. Okay. Let this motherfucker finish. There we go.
Oh, you know, just the usual jumbled mess of dependencies, scripts, and hopes that everything magically works together. Classic developer chaos. Face
Pretty
mask.
small. Iconify.json view. And then down here in the dependencies. Yeah, and like I said, it works. It just gives me that stupid TypeScript error right here. Which I don't care about because it still fucking works. This is annoying every time I open up my Nux config and it's like, you're an idiot. This is wrong.
The developer's mantra: if it ain't chaotic, it ain't real. Let's embrace the beautiful disaster that is coding. Paint palette.
Yeah, I'm just going in public because that just fucking works that way. You want to say hi to Whip? Growly? We're going to there. Hello. The missus is going to say hello to Whip and to Growly. I know you two are still hanging out. She's dying, though. She's a sleepy, pregnant being.
Every time I get on, I'm like following people I've never even heard of before. Their streams say that they're live.
Yeah, I don't know who most of these people are.
Yeah, I'm like, who the fuck are you? How did I follow you? I've never
Yeah, it's
even-
about to be sleepy times. I thought I was gonna play games and maybe have a couple drinks tonight. Instead, I got sucked into fucking nerdery for the last 2 hours. They can't even see you. Saw your fucking head.
Yeah, I've been up since 3 a.m. I'm tired.
But Whip, this is the missus. Missus, this is Whip.
I'm tired.
When we got home from there's Growly. I told you Growly was here. From dinner last night,
What's up, Growly?
she like put pajamas on. I didn't think I put pajamas on, and we cut something on. I was in my chair, she was on the couch, and our daughter was on the couch. Next thing I know, we all passed out, and we wake up and it's 3 a.m. Like, fuck!
And then we went to the bedroom, and he
Tried to go back to sleep.
he was like in and out of sleep, and I just couldn't go back to sleep. and I had a busy day, so I couldn't nap.
Going to bed at 3 a.m.
Normally I nap during the day, but
Normally, I've been trying to go to bed at like 12 or 1.
mm, yeah, it's ridiculous.
And then I'm up at
Sucks.
5:15.
Yeah.
Danny's out of town, so I went to the bar last night, and some JD started taking me home.
I'm on mobile. Bye.
How long's Danny out of town? I feel like he said she's been out of town for fucking ever. Oh my god. Hey, JP!
What's mobile got to do with it, JP?
Because mobile subs are more expensive. Oh, she's out of town all week? Dude, one of the funniest stories of my entire fucking life. I was like an 18 or 19-year-old kid in downtown Madison, and I had a fake ID. The lights? I know you gotta get the fucking gobies. Hey, JP.
What's up, JP?
Walking down State Street in downtown Madison, and it's like right outside University of Madison. And I tell my buddies, like, check it out, there's an Irish pub up here. And I think it was like O'Malley's or some just fucking generic ass Irish pub. And I was like, we're gonna go hit that place up. It's gonna be so fucking good. Shirley? Who's Shirley, bro?
Who's really?
We get into O'Malley's, and it's me and this one other ghostly, this one other guy, and walk in, and within like 38 seconds realize it's a fucking gay bar, and like all eyes on us.
His ex-sister-in-law is named Shirley. That's why I was like,
Oh yeah, that's true.
oh, what?
And then there's one other time in my adult life that happened like 3 or 4 years ago in Savannah, Georgia. There was this bar that I went to one time called
It wasn't 3 years ago.
4 years ago, I don't know, whenever it was, sometime in the more recent future. It's called like Double Barrel, and it was like this cool hole in the wall ish bar with a little dance floor place. And I went there one time before, and I was like, oh, this place is pretty cool. So the next time I'm in Savannah for a sim trip, I tell my buddies, like, hey, we gotta go check out this bar called Double Barrel. I'm like, okay, that sounds cool. I'm like, yeah, they got a bunch of whiskey and shit. It's real awesome. And we get there, and it was fucking gay night there. So we get my buddies who had never been there before, like, what the fuck, bro? I'm like, dude, I swear, last time I was here, it was not like this. And they're like, no. Yeah. So those are my 2 gay bar stories on accident.
The answer to your question, JP, I'm feeling just fine. Feeling alive. I had my first infusion today. It was very interesting.
It was a fun night, really. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I don't care. I'm comfortable in my weirdness. They really are. And both of those instances, there was only both times one single person who was just like overly outright pushy. I'm like, dude, get the fuck away from me. Other than that, like, it's just a gay old time, for lack of better words.
Yeah, I'm just convinced at this point I'm going to be like this for the next 8 weeks.
The CD's right on your face. Oh.
Hmm?
The CD is right on your face. If you turn on the tracking thing, how do I do that again?
No, I don't want it on. Because then it freaks me out. Because then it follows.
It follows you, I know. It doesn't even follow me.
Yeah, I've only got 8 weeks left, JP. So really, I'm just counting down the days. It'll be all right. No, I don't want it on.
Too
'cause
late.
then it literally stresses me. It honestly, like, completely stresses me out.
Oh, I
have
think it
my-
picked me instead of you this time anyway. Normally it picks you. Wave your hand. No, it picked me.
Yeah, it stresses me out. Because then whenever I go to walk away, it fucking follows me. And everybody's seen my pajamas.
Whip's you're up in Philly, or not in Philly, you're in PA though, aren't you, Whip? I just remembered that. Pittsburgh, that's right.
Gag. Just kidding. I have family out that way. I'm from Philly. Are we rivals now, Whip? Did you know that, by the way? That
No, Whip's a thug.
that Pittsburgh and Philadelphia are.
Whip's the one that sent me Jack Off Joe.
But did you know that?
Whoa!
See? Turn it off. I don't like it. It's so stressful. I don't need it following my pajamas.
Jack Off Joe. Compliments of Whipstick, though.
See, that was nice. It did like
Ah, the Philly bartenders. They really know how to mix drinks and sarcasm, a
Portrait
combo
mug.
essential for
Isn't that
surviving nightlife. Cheers to that. Beer mugs.
I'm not here for the.
Dude,
Look, it's not even gonna follow your titties. Because you turned off.
that's what I put on the tracking.
Yeah, you fucked your own self over.
Thank you, JP. Let me, since, you know, it's all like 3 of us in here. Let's fucking rock out, man. Seizure warning if anybody's on drugs right now.
Or if they literally have seizures.
Or if you have seizures. Oh, I also should have said headphone warning. What else do I use? Oh, that's what the old Hype Train song. God, I'm done by my- Hey, Raider, welcome in, man. Come in on the birthday raid train. Hype train, not raid train. I don't know where raid came from. This is like the greatest Hype Train song known to man.
Vape train?
I'm dying for you.
Michael?
Let's see where I'm at. I made this scene when I first started streaming, so it's definitely not optimized. I think I'm at 8,000. Techno Train?
Did you say a vape train?
No, I said raid, and then I meant hype.
A raid train?
Yeah, I don't know why I said raid.
It literally sounded like vape.
Vape train.
I was like, what the
Vaping, baby.
fuck? I was like, what are you doing in there?
Yeah, all those lights and these things and these things, not optimized at all, Growly. And they're all have audio input too. But they're turned up way too loud because again, I was like a 2-day streamer when I built this. And now I just keep it because I like to remember. I can't say how far I've gone, but how much more efficient I have gotten. I don't know. JP always starts a one-man hype train too. What else do we usually put on? Hollywood Undead is another go-to usually. Dad, you better get up out the way. Dad. No, I don't give a fuck what you think you say. I'm gonna see that motherfucking writing on the wall. Yeah, bitrate's 7,800 right now. Between 74 and 78. DCS motherfuckers better know who we are. Watch what you say. Kill a cat! Rah! Fucking Beavis emote? Let's go. Also multi-streaming, so YouTube's probably fucking crushing it, honestly. Hellos,
Did
hellos!
you just invent a new language or is it just a friendly typo?
We'll rock this whole place anyway. Oh my, don't wait today. No, I don't give a fuck what you think you say. You said this means this. Alright. So for easy sake, Whip, we're gonna keep it in public. I'm gonna drive on with this. So I quit fucking with it and actually make progress. I appreciate your help. And I forgot the bucket shit bookmarked. I'm gonna look into that. Oh, lots of them. We actually gotta redeem. Let's see. Where's my streamer bot at? Where is Funko? Let's do this. 179. We'll show you this sweet redeem here. Oh, nice. Thank you, Whippy. Well, now I gotta pull it up again. You came in like right at the post hype train. Whoa, what the fuck is that?
Half a moment. That's impressive multitasking. Don't trip over the time
Thank
you're
you, Wiki.
saving. Catch you later.
Thank you, Killer Cat. This is the Funko redeem that got interrupted by me showing my titties. Sid, I got the Corey Taylor one. I don't have the Craig Jones one.
Ah, the ancient art of typo communication. Gold for everyone because apparently we're all rich now.
Just took a big old poopy. Now we're gonna come back here. Jesus. We're back. We're back. Oh, I just turned off. Hey, you guys. The mustache Funko? The one that you made for me? Growly? Did you DM me that one? I've got, So I've got Nigel Thornberry. Pretty good resemblance. Pretty good sized beak here. Thank you too, Whip, for this sub. And Wiki, I think you're already gone. I don't know if I'm fairly certain I said thank you. I hope so. That'd be rude of me. That one's in my Discord. Is that the one you're talking about? Or Arthur Shelby? That's another pretty good resemblance here. Maybe not so much of the hat, I don't know. My undone hair. And I'll pull up the one. I think you put it in general. We got that one too. Where is that thing at? From the Growly. There. Let's see. We know we got. Here it is. Here it is. Chat. I do almost always have a hat on. Here's the Mustache Maniac Funko brought to you by the Growly Bear. I don't know what's happening here, but it's pretty sick. Big fan, huge fan. Huge fan. I think Nova Charter made one of me one time too. I don't know what happened to that one. This is limited edition, okay? Only available to tier 58 subs. Then you got to be a 36-month member of my OnlyFeets and platinum on the Ko-Fis and stuff. Very, very fucking stellar. Yeah, I got a bunch of hairs. When I'm not at work, I like to wear a hat because I can't wear a hat at work. And then you can't see my hair is all fucked up. How much would it cost? What was that wasn't Road Trip. What the fucking movie was that? It's like, what's a ZJ? If you don't know what it is, you obviously can't afford it.
Oh, don't worry. Blame the keyboard. It's just living its best life while we stumble through typos like it's a dance party.
Where are you coming from, Kellycat? How'd you find the stream? I don't remember. I feel like I've seen your name before. But where? Big nose, small brain. Not had my hair that short since the army. This is pretty short for me even. I always get in trouble in the army because normally it's about like right here, and then I just do the full slick back. And then they yell at me, and then eventually I trim it down like this, and then I just slowly grow it back out until I get yelled at again. Oh yeah. That Aussie. He's a cool ass dude. Yeah, that makes sense. I used to write out to him all the time because he'd be on Australia time, like drunk all night, starting his morning when I would get into streams, so then I'd write out to him, and my chat's like, who the fuck is this guy? I'm like, oh, that's Aussie. He's a cool guy. You'll love him. Oh, I need y'all to do some song requests. I need to check something. Do exclamation SR and whatever fucking song you want. Just spam a couple of them. And then I need you to check, what is it, my requests? Let me see. Somebody said their shit wasn't working, and I keep forgetting to check it. Well, I could probably do this myself.
Ah, the classic I dids move. Following cool accounts is the modern day treasure hunting, and you found the golden moustache.
Wow, my own song request didn't go through. That's rude. Song requests. Everywhere I go. Alright, now let's do my request. This is what he said was broken. Number 1, number 2. Oh, okay, so I think it is broken. SR. Alright, now let's see. If it shows 1, 2, and 3, then it's broken. Yep. Alright. Fuck. Well. Here we go. Post week game, bang. Oh, the beauty. Now at least I can control F. User args, user screen. It is. Really, it wouldn't fucking matter if I wasn't the idiot that built this thing. So now when it's broken, it's my own fault. Q. So it gets the Q. Oh, I guarantee you I know what happened. Num songs is 20. I bet you Spotify changed their fucking payload on this because they're assholes. Let's see. Spotify API. Dickheads. Let's see here.
Yowza indeed. Someone's feeling the groove, ready to bust out the jazz hands or just channeling the excitement of a surprise pizza delivery.
It's an air Q to a far Q. Yeah, we dicked something up. That's coming from, what was the endpoint on that one again? The Q endpoint. Okay, well, that would make sense. Player. Get the user's Q. Response sample.
Ah, the classic just woke up meal
Just
plan.
woke up. Where
Breakfast
the hell
is
do you
optional.
live?
Stuffing your face is
Do you live in
mandatory.
Australia
Bacon
too?
pizza sleep is great, but food is life.
It's fucking 10 o'clock at night. Unless you're in Australia, then it's not 10 o'clock at night. Alright, so... You live in Minnesota? Gross. Dusty Bricks. Happy birthday in Australia from... Motherfucker, you're not from Australia. There's no way. I'm making fun of Australia right now. You can't be from Australia, Dusty Bricks. Sleep during the day and up at night. What part of Minnesota are you from? I actually grew up in Wisconsin. Would be new or after 12 lunchtime. That's what I thought. That's why I was like, maybe they're from Australia. I don't know. That would be more logical. Oh, I got distracted again. Q response. All right, so we need to find Q response. Track songs, Q response, J object, Q number songs, add it to the queue. That's not what I'm looking for. Where is the actual queue string queue response in? Oh! Just say not Minneapolis. Okay. I had a friend from Lino Lakes area. Had. Past tense. No, this was my request. You always avoid Minneapolis? So, St. Paul? It is still in alpha, Dusty. Nate's Patreon, if you go in the StreamerBot About section, is linked there. Bronze tier, which I think got bumped down to $5 or $6. And then plus you get alpha, so early release. Not sure how long it's going to stay in alpha. It's stable. I mean, I'm streaming off it right now. Most of my extensions still work in it. The only ones that really broke were some of my multi-platform ones. And it was self-imposed because of how I send YouTube messages. I cast the broadcast ID as a string, which it doesn't like. St. Paul's not horrible. You probably got a shit ton of snow right now, though. I'm down in Georgia now, so don't even know what snow is anymore. Struck playlist, token expired, songs to check, question names. Ugh, why did I use a J object there? Response as a string async, check song, Q response, number song. Dude, Savannah, Georgia is gross as fuck. I'm not a fan. I go there a few times a year for army stuff, and no thank you. You can have it. Start quest message. So what am I fucking up here? Currently playing. All my family's still up in Wisconsin. They said the same thing. It came late, and it really wasn't that bad, but it did come at fucking dumped mountains. Available market. Q, this is what we're looking for. Compilation. Oh, my song again. There's Kingslayer. Your song got skipped? Growly, it's not even in my queue. Maybe I did that on accident. I don't know. The Crab Shack's good. There's an even better place. It's called Bobo's, and it's in the hood off Montgomery Ave. But it is fucking awesome. It's hood as shit, though. I've seen somebody get stabbed in that parking lot. Tried to pull my gun in that parking lot. The candy shop down off of River Street. Where am I getting the Q response at? Yee. More food. What do we have for dinner tonight? We had ham steaks. Delicious. Last night though, for birthday dinner, we went to this joint that got lamb chops with cranberry sauce. Oh, crushed it. Oh, I'm missing something here. Q. It's a get, right? Me/player/Q. Where's the base URL? I think that's where I might be fucking up. Cereal and a chicken pot pie. That is not a great combination. I'm sorry. Not it. I mean, you really can't look at the same, to be fair. Where's my full URL? Okay, me/player. So I do already set that here. Well, no, that's API URL. Command endpoint. So that should be using API. My songs. Yep. Is it not writing them to the user variables? Is that where I'm getting fucked? Let's see. Global variables, non-persistent user. Oh, we're going to play this fucking game? That's cool. And let's see where Whip's at. Yeah. I think that's what's happening. It's not storing them. Song requests, Raider, and Whipstick Go Stop. Okay, they're both in here. So what am I comparing that to? My songs. Queue response, var message equals that, number of songs. Construct request messages, that's where I need to check. Construct request. Dictionary stored request equals this, CPH, get global variable, song request, which is right here, yeah. Current item equals songs, track URI equals that, if store request contains tree, track URI. String requester name equals entry substring, last index, found songs, add. So I'm not getting the requester name, am I? Fuck, I can't have this window open at the same time. Hold up, let me do this.
Jambalaya. When you can't decide between rice, meat, or seafood, just throw it all together and call it
Jambalaya.
culinary chaos at its finest. Fork and knife with plate.
Fork and knife with plate. What was it? Construct queue message, right? Or construct request message, was it? I love having ManiacBot read out the emotes because it's so fucking stupid. What was that? Construct request message. It is, okay. Here it is. Now let's just toss this down here. Spotify, track, and then requester name. Requester name equals entry substring. Last index of this plus 1, which should be here. Song at user. I mean, with ManiacBot, he, like, the most he'll do is 3. So sometimes it gets a little obnoxious, but he doesn't really like spam emails because I only got the text to speech on him. Found songs in the found songs. So I think the reason this is, yeah, I don't do text to speech on everything. I don't like that. But I think it's because I don't pass the user here.
Nothing like a text-to-speech with a side of sass. Just what we need, AI reading out bitties while we giggle like kids in class. Mike Tears of Joy. Lol indeed. That's the highlight of any tech, reading bitties while we clutch our guts in laughter. True high art. Paint palette tears of joy.
Paint palettes, tears of joys. All right. You gotta be laughing. Otherwise, I don't know. I guess not everybody does, but. So request your name. Here. It is Aussie, actually. This, for a while, I fucked it up and it was like picking random any language. So you'd come up with some wonky ass shit, but then I found I could do like Aussie accented English, like sold. Let's do this. Alright, compile. I swear to fuck. Song request. Let's go. Slaughterhouse. Somebody else put some song requests in too, please. I don't care what it is. And if it sucks, I'll just skip it. Number 1, number 2, and number 11. Okay. I don't know what song number 11 is. Q11. Oh, you're a motherfucker. Q5. Slaughterhouse. American Nightmare in between. I forgot I don't have it on. I forgot to warn you, Dusty. I don't have it on the tubes. Because YouTube nukes my stream anytime I have my music on there. Like, it'll be just straight shut off. Somebody on Twitch, please. Do exclamation SR and put some song in there. Do it, Killa. Put a song in. I just need to see if it's gonna properly fix this stupid request check. I think I was forgetting to check for the username, and I think I fixed it. Growly, I don't even think I purposely skipped it. You can't think of a single fucking song? Oh my gods. Oh my gods. You can fall for it, Growly. I just need to see, even if I skip it, I just need to see if the request shows up. That's it. Spice Girls. I mean, I might not like the music, and I just skip it if I don't. I don't care. As long as it ain't no country music. Master of Puppets. Trivium's version, fucking sold. Way better. Alright. Now let me see. Oh, sick. Now do my request, Growly. It should only show number 3. Oh, fuck. You do like country. I think it worked. As long as when you do my request, it shows as number 3. Or actually, it might show number 2 now. Elevator operator. Okay. So you should be... Oh, sick. Now we got so many songs. Some Garth Brooks. We can do that. My requests. Number 1 and... I don't know what's number 18. It's just magically going to show up. That's fine. What? See what your see what number yours is, Raider. Number 2, number 4, rock, metal, alternative, and grunge. Yeah, those all fly here. MILF, you son of a bitch. Oh, you're lucky you're sexy. All right, I fixed it. Thank you, ladies and MILF. MILF, type something in chat. There you are, you sexy fucking guy. Just for you, Milky Poo. Three fucking lines of code. I'm a goddamn born-again retard, I swear. I probably can't say that on Twitch. Oh well. I'm gonna get another ban. How you been, MILF? Christ, I ain't talked to you in forever. You and Raider are both here. Bring back the old gang. Zach, he loves it. There was no slipping, dude. That was extremely intentional. The Browning. Check them out. You mean the band? That's a band I need to check out? The Browning. Alright. Looks like they got a cover of Blue. A song called Carnage. That sounds good. Where did this go? Old Black Clown by Edgar Allan Poets. I've not heard of that one. I can fuck with this. Let me go ahead and add these guys to my Spotify. Boom. It sounds like Throne. I don't know if you fuck with Throne or not, but Thule by Theaters the Vampires. What the fuck did you just add? Alright, hold up. I gotta find who you're actually looking for, because they totally fucked you on that. You're running local?
Oh, a mysterious plot twist.
Who are we
Suddenly,
looking
we
for?
have an
Old
uncredited
Black
screenwriter
Clown.
here. What's next? Secret ingredients.
Well,
in
if you're
your
local,
pizza.
then that means you
Pizza
can
Man
fucking bring
detective.
your happy ass through some. Oh, what did I just add? Don't do that. Undo that. Add to queue. There we go. And get rid of this one. Yeah, we still gotta schedule a get together then, MILF. And I think I still gotta tattoo you. We've been talking about that for like 2 years. God damn it. Now I forgot what I was looking for. I gotta give this to somebody in Discord because this is what I was looking for. Okay. Here. Delete. Ghosty's due in like 8 weeks. So about to be off work, but I'm also about to be homebound for a while. But sometime this summer we could totally do something. We need to. She just told me to close the door. Apparently I'm super loud. Yeah, May 4th.
Ah, the perfect mix of poetry and rock. Who knew Edgar Allan Poe would inspire a band? All the jazz hands, no soul-crushing
I
dread.
see that now.
Mike
I was
Scroll.
just going to turn on my headset so I wasn't so loud, but it didn't help. I accidentally turned it all the way up.
You are so loud.
I'm a very loud human being. MILF is here. It's my birthday. I can cry if I want to. It still counts. Okay, good night. I love you. This is a poetic band. I love Edgar Allan poets and ended up finding them guys. Well, they're on the list. We can skip these guys because I put that request in. Birthday week. Thank you, Dusty. So it's my birthday fucking year. It'll be my birthday all the way till next year. Not really. Not really. Alright, so I need to tell this fucking weenie in Discord to add this. Where did my Discord go? Oh. I am indeed. For whatever that means. I don't really know what any of that shit is. But I am. Oh yeah, I can't get rid of the picture of this Funko. Hold up. Yep. Go to line 59 in the Spotify controls. Execute code. Sub action and replace the method with this. See above. Okay, look at that. We're fixing shit. Come on into the Discord, Dusty. The water is fine. Is the CD image reversed? It is on that album, isn't it? I wonder if it'll be like that on the next one. I've never noticed it. It's gotta be just that album cover. It's gotta be. Or my brain's backwards. You want a mustache Funko Pop? The Growly Bear in chat made me that, MILF. I need to go have that bitch custom ordered. Where did it go? I lost it again. Fuck, I got too many things open. We're gonna find it again. Here. Yeah. But it's gotta look just like this. Hubby's B-Day passed this month. He's a Pisces. He sounds like a great guy. Sounds super cool. Good on him. March is a great month to have a birthday. I need to just make this shit bigger. While we're sitting here and talking, I'm just gonna keep. Hey, look at that! Justy Lego Bricks is in the Discord. I had to go back to blowing this up. Your master. Is that as big as it'll go? Hold up, let's just do this. It's wonderful. It's my new wallpaper. So I did reach out to a place back when I actually streamed semi-regularly and was going to have custom Funkos made because I was doing giveaways like every month. And then I think I traveled for like 4 out of 6 months at the end of last year. So my streaming shit fell off and I went from like 30 to 50 people down to 6 or 7. I was like, oh, it's a good thing I didn't buy these custom Funkos.
Triple the hype, triple the fun. Just like a 3-layer cake, deliciously over the top. Party Popper shortcake, let's hope it doesn't fall
Party
apart.
Papa shortcake. Maybe I'll revisit it again if I actually start streaming a lot again. I know, stupid work, man. Stupid. But when I'm, Well, after baby gets here and I'm home more, probably do some streaming more. It was cool. It was expensive. I think it ended up being like $30 or $40 a pop. But thank you, Mister. Why did that motherfucker not show up so I could push your face? Oh, because it was a biddy chair and it wasn't a regular chat. Just type something so I can push the button. Thank you. You gotta type something in chat. Damn it. Where'd it go? No, don't save that because I forgot what I just did to it. Yes. Hi, thank you.
Take it all. I'm just here to keep your wallet
I need that pop.
full. Blowing money open mouth smile, get that pop culture fix, you legend. Money mouth face sparkles.
Yeah, you're.
Also, when did YouTube nuke the watch at 1?
Oh my.
Oh, I didn't even know that was a thing, Dusty. Honestly, the only reason I even multi-stream is because I haven't made a YouTube video in 12 fucking years, so all my watch time was going off. So I was like, well, let me stream and try and pick up, but then the only people that come and hang out is Technician in there, so I don't really get much watch time. For those of you that don't know, I've got a extension. When people chat, their faces pop up here, and then you can just push a button like that and shout them out. It's pretty rad. Yesterday was technically my birthday. We went out to dinner and such. And got home way too late. Way too late, not late. There's the extension. It worked for Twitch. These are Twitch folks, and these are YouTube folks down here. So you can set them up separately, and then you just tie it to an action, whatever you want. I use my shout-out player and banning. No food pics on Discord. Oh, I didn't put anything up there, did I? I will right now. Let me, hold on, I gotta put a food picture on Discord. I did actually take one. Where is it at? Here. Can't even find my own Discord shit. Where's the food pictures? Oh, foodstuffs. That's a good spot for them. I know, you need to be, so we had another chef in the Discord, his name's Rocket Dad, and he does like farm to table, like super fancy shit. And every time he fucking explains it, like my mouth waters and I get a boner. It just sounds so fucking good. So snazzy. Alright, there you go. I put it up in Discord. Yeah, he's in the Discord too, Tech. You should see some of his shit. Oh, actually, we can pull it up right here. We got the technology. I forgot I got my own fucking Discord up. Here was the lamb chops from last night with some garlic green beans. And the world's most okayest Bloody Mary. What else? Oh, here's some Rocket Dad shit right here, Technician. That's some seared tuna and some other fancy shit. He's usually got descriptions in what he makes. But again, it's like all fucking farm to table. Well, I don't know what the fuck that is, but it looks great. What else we got here? Rocket Dad. Oh, here's some more Rocket Dad shit. Yeah, he's
Daniel
fancy
Z,
as shit.
Is that the sound of expectations crashing? Hope you've got a metaphorical broom for cleanup. Broom
Like,
cold
what is
sweat
this?
fire.
I don't know. Yummy. That's what it is. Looks like octopus to me. Some bean sprouts? I don't know. What is this? I don't know, but I would eat the shit out of it. It looks like
Nice.
some
More
fancy
like
noodles.
fantastic. You're basically a magician with that enthusiasm. Glowing star abracadabra. Now let's make some magic. Magic
I think
wand
these are
sparkling
fingers.
heart.
They look like fingers to me. Maybe this was Halloween. When was this one posted? No, it was in May. I don't remember when he joined the Discord. Oh, this was Tilty. It doesn't count. Oh, here was my birthday dinner last year. As you can see, the Discord's not super active. Asparagus and taters. Tempura shrimp. Oh, here's some lamb too.
Request.
I guess lamb
Sure.
is popular.
Remember, my playlist only includes sarcasm and dad jokes. You're in for a real treat. Rolling on the floor laughing music.
Hell yeah. Have at it, technician. I don't know what the fuck we got here. Porridge, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, back-to-back lamb. No. Last year was Aeromech put this up. He's a cool guy too. He actually works on Blackhawks for Sikorsky. It's kind of funny that I fly him. This was a Tomahawk last year. Beef, not lamb. Yeah, spam all of your food porn in here. Because I like looking at it. Because I'm like 4,000 pounds internally. Now we need to put this back up. Oh, actually, pets too. Where the hell did he put those today? Breezer's got a puppy. That's hot off the press today. And then Bohemian and her damn cats. Here's Arrow doing the ruck stuff. This was a picture that Nova took and I thought was fake. He went on this like 2-week vacation recently. He was in Antarctica and all kinds of crazy shit. Nova. Oh, I think this was my hardcore character. Yeah, it was. That was cool. Bitch. Oh yeah, here's another hardcore character. Some dude put a E-piano. Helped him tie it into StreamerBot, and he uses it as a stream deck. Literally, I don't know if you guys can read that very good, but all kinds of weird shit. FGRs, dogs, and sweaters because he's a weirdo. What's that? Pits. Fancy cameras. You have a keyboard? You have a keyboard like this? And you use it for like a stream deck? Because that's what he did. Yeah, FGR's got 2 doggos. And they wear sweaters. And every Sunday he cooks them real chicken and feeds them real chicken. We were playing DBD with him one night, and it was like me and Ghosty and our daughter, and he's talking about his dogs. And then he said something about sweaters, and then here's where the pictures came from. Somebody else has some. Let's see, Super Wiki was in here earlier. He makes bows. That's really cool. Hannah makes them. Yeah, I'm not very good with it. Not good with it at all. Here's another one that he made. I think he wood burned that one that was first time wood burning. Oh, here you go, Draco's puppy. When secure. Who else got? Oh, it's Draco's puppy again. Yeah, the only way it'll work, Dusty, is if you basically have to set up MIDI inputs, which I'm not super versed with. I helped him with, but that was like the one and only. Oh, here's real babies. We got real babies in here too. New Way Out by Poppy? Okay. Babies. More babies. We like babies. I don't remember who Desolate is, but he's got a dog too. Don't give up. Don't give in to the chicken pot pie. What is this? I know we got more fucking animals in here. Where are they? Maybe we don't. Oh, I used to have an animals channel. I think I deleted that. That's on me. I mean, I can't be mad at him for coming after Bacon. Well, I thought I was gonna have more animals to show y'all. Oh, there it is! That's the other one. This one's pretty sick, and I even got tattoos on this one. And I don't know what happened. Like, I got the nose ring, but also I don't know what's going on with my mouth here. Yeah, this was sick. I knew he made me one. I just couldn't remember where the fuck it was. It's even spelled right, which usually they get wrong. I mean, minus, these weird words down here. But AI can only do so much. This is like Temu Funko Logo, I guess. I don't know. What the fuck is this? Oh, that was really good AI. I think he was using not Copilot. It was the one on Windows. Rocket, I was just talking about you. B Technician. Well, I don't know why I'm pointing up. He's above you in chat. Is also a chef, and that's how I got started on this rabbit hole. I was showing him some of your fucking sexy chef pictures, like this fancy stuff. I was like, oh, he's in our Discord, blah, blah. He was here earlier. I don't know what this is. I don't remember this. What the fuck? I think we were playing Just Dance or something with the kiddos.
Oh, don't worry, Monster. I've got the best view.
This might have been the day I threw the Xbox controller at the ceiling on accident. Okay, that's boring. I don't think it's the one where I threw the controller. Nope, it's not. I think that's it for... He's bald now. I thought we had more fucking animals, man. Oh, dear. Green Dragon, who used to live like 2 minutes from me. Now he lives 600 miles away, apparently. Blocked messages. What the hell is this? Oh, that person. We don't like that person. Oh, that's some ghosties. Yeah, now you don't have to scroll through it all, Dusty. I thought we had a whole bunch of fucking pets, but I guess I'm delusional. We really don't have that many pets in here. Oh, butt cheeks and a butt cheek tree. Oh yeah, I'll probably get another Twitch ban for that.
Interesting is just fancy for I have no idea what's happening. So, what's your take on this
Yum.
roller coaster
Look at them.
confusion?
Look at that.
Roller coaster thinking.
What the hell else is in here? More cats. Now I'm Randy. I don't look like this guy. That's a lie. Maybe I kind of do. More cats. I don't know. God, where's the dogs at, bro? Y'all got dogs. Make sure you put them in Discord, please. I feel like there's an absurd number of cats in here when there should be more dogs. Oh, fuck. Okay, now we're done. Where did the thing go? Put that back up. There we go. Thrilling roller coaster of confusion. Just put them wherever, honestly. I don't, pics and memes? I think that's what we just for. Yeah. Jump to present. Oh, it's way faster. Let's see if I got any more current pictures of the doggo. Probably not. Usually Ghosty's got all the pictures of the puppy. I had 2 cats, but my cat Alvin isn't with us anymore. B-Day passed on 17th. Oh. I'm sorry about that. Here we go. We'll put Bullet in there. Discord. Fuck, where? Search, what do we call it? Pics and memes? There we go. Bam. This is Chino. This is Bullet. Chino is wearing clothes. I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, it's talking out the butt. Chino Moreno, singer of Deftones. My buddy said his daughter just went to a Deftones concert. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah. Wait, you got 2? I thought you only had 1 snake. You got 2 snakes, Ryder? What up, though? How old's your dog, Ryder? Still got the puppy face, but it's a big boy. Alright. 4. Still looks like a puppy in the face. Alright, I need to find a new friend. Oh, what just happened there? Mudvayne's always a win. Oh, fuck yeah, back on the Browning. I didn't know Mudvayne was still putting out new music, though. I think the last show the last one we went to, maybe Lorna Shore in September or October or November. I don't know when the fuck. Been a little while since I went to a concert. I was talking to my buddy about that Monday. We need to find. Actually, let's do this. Do we got? Whoa! Did not mean to do that. Mudvayne was your first concert ever? Holy camolies, you're missing out on life. Let me get rid of this. Let's see, do we got
The
anybody?
classic looked healthier mystery. Maybe he found the secret to weight loss, a strict diet of zero drama and questionable pizza toppings. Pizza tears of joy.
2019? Oh. I was at Knotfest in 2019. I've been to a few more since then. $2022? Trying to see if we got somebody in here to reside out to. I never actually do this. Pharmacist Pikachu? They just joined the Discord. I don't even know who they are. Sarita? I don't know who this is. Tail Gunner. Alright, who else? There was somebody up top I seen. What was it? Breezer? I think he's streaming. Let's see.
Absolutely. Noise is the universal language of approval. Throw
Is he
in a jazz
actually
hand
streaming?
and we're all set. Party popper paper.
Let's see. Let's see if he's live. Shall we? Oh, he is. Let's do cheers, Dusty. We're gonna do this. we're going to call it a night. So I can go give Ghosty some loving. And we're going to go right out to Breezers, who's a guy that shows up all the time. And for some reason, I'm not even fucking following him because I'm a dickhead. Thank you, Technician. Thanks for hanging out on both Twitch and the YouTubes. Raider, thank you. Killer Cat, thank you. Dusty, welcome in. Appreciate you hanging out tonight. I will. She was in here for a couple minutes, but, you know, she doesn't even fucking pull up my streams anymore. She's over that shit. Snugs, brother, man, I was just about to fucking leave, bro. YouTube? Bro, I'm leaving. Bro. Parkway Drive's a good way to go out. I don't have a little timer to know when my raid happens, so it's just a surprise. But we're gonna go raid Breezers here.
Oh, I got fucking stuck.
To be fair, I built an extension for somebody, and I could really just use the one I built for somebody else, but you know, I just don't. Much love. Thank you again, Killer, for hanging out. Oh, I just pushed the wrong button. I don't know what button I just pushed there. It's supposed to be... Is that you? No, that's Breezers. that's a guy we're rating out to. Wrong button. Growly, thank you too. Did I miss you? Did I miss saying thank you for hanging out? I hope you got very productive phone calls done, Mr. Important Businessman.